Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Daily, where learning English is easy, practical, and fun. I'm Olivia.
Hello, Olivia. Hi, everyone. It's really great to be here with you today. I'm feeling very happy and excited.
I'm happy too, Jack. You look very energetic today. Did you have a good morning?
I really did. I had a big breakfast and, of course, a very good cup of coffee. You know me, Olivia. Coffee is my best friend.
Yes, I know. Coffee and Jack, best friends forever. But today, we are going to talk about other friends.
Other friends? Now I'm curious.
Yes, our English words and phrases.
Oh, I like that already. So what is our topic for today's episode?
Today, we are talking about essential English phrases for daily conversations. These are the phrases you really need in your everyday life.
That is such an important topic because many English learners know a lot of vocabulary, but they don't know how to use the words in real conversations.
Exactly. Our goal is to help you feel confident when you speak English at the shop, at work, at a cafe, or even when you talk to your neighbors.
That sounds perfect. I'm ready to learn.
Wait, Jack, before we start, we have to ask our viewers for a small favor.
Oh yes, of course.
Everyone, if you enjoy learning English with us, please click the like button.
And don't forget to subscribe to Easy English Daily. It really helps our channel grow.
We want to make many more helpful English videos for you.
And please share this video with your friends who are learning English. Let's learn together.
All right, now we are ready. Jack, what should we start with?
Let's start with greetings. Most learners know hello and how are you.
That's right. But in real life, people often use other phrases.
I often hear people say, "How's it going?"
Yes, how's it going is very common and very friendly.
Does it mean the same as how are you?
Yes, it does, but it sounds more relaxed and casual.
I like that. So how do I answer, "How's it going?"
You can say, it's going well, thanks, or just, good, thanks.
Good, thanks. That's easy to remember.
Exactly. Another common greeting is, what's up?
Oh yes, I hear that a lot in movies and TV shows.
Right, but remember, what's up is very informal. You usually use it with friends or people you know well.
So I should not say, "What's up?" to my boss.
Probably not. For your boss, it's better to say, how are you today?
Okay, boss, how are you today? Friend, what's up?
Perfect. You're learning fast.
Now, let's talk about being polite. I know English people love politeness.
Yes, politeness is very important in English-speaking cultures.
Of course, please and thank you.
Yes, those are very important, but there are more polite phrases you should know.
Like what?
For example, when you want to ask someone something, you can start with, excuse me.
Like when I want to pass someone on the bus?
Exactly. Or when you want to ask a stranger a question, excuse me, where is the station?
So, excuse me is like a polite hello before a question.
That's a great way to explain it.
And when I make a small mistake, I say, "I'm sorry."
Yes, and if you don't hear someone clearly, you can say, sorry, with a question sound.
Ah, that means I didn't hear you. Please say it again.
Exactly. Another very polite phrase is, could you repeat that, please?
That sounds very professional.
It is, and don't be afraid to use it. Most people are happy to help. All right, Jack. Now let's talk about a situation many English learners feel nervous about.
Let me guess. Shopping and restaurants?
Exactly. Shops and cafés are perfect places to practice English, but many learners feel shy.
That's true. When I go to a cafe, my mind suddenly becomes empty.
Don't worry, you only need a few simple phrases.
Okay, I'm ready.
When you want to know the price of something, you can ask, how much is this?
How much is this? Very simple.
Yes, you can point to a shirt, a book, or even an apple and ask.
And if I want to buy it?
You say, I'll take it.
I like that. Short and clear.
Exactly. Now, In a cafe, you can say, "Can I have a coffee, please?"
That sounds much nicer than saying, give me coffee.
Yes, give me sounds rude in English. Can I have is polite and friendly.
So I can say, can I have a green tea, please?
Perfect. And when you are finished and want to pay, you say, "Can I have the check, please?"
The check means the paper with the price, right?
Yes. In some countries, people say the bill. Both are correct.
Good to know. What if I want to help someone?
You can say, "Do you need help?"
Or, can I help you with that?
Exactly. That phrase sounds very kind.
And when someone helps me, I say, thank you so much.
Yes. And the other person can reply, "You're welcome," or "No problem."
I hear no problem a lot.
It's very common and relaxed.
Olivia, what if I'm in a conversation and I want to show I'm listening?
That's a great question. We use listening phrases.
Like what?
For example, "I see."
Does that mean I'm looking at something?
No, "I see" means "I understand."
Ah, I see. That's useful.
You can also say, "Really?" or "That's interesting."
I use really a lot.
That's great. And if you like the story, you can say, "That's great," or "That's awesome."
That's awesome. I feel more confident already.
You should. You are already speaking real English.
What about saying goodbye?
Goodbye is okay, but in real life, people often say, "See you later."
Or see you soon?
Yes. And another very common phrase is, "Have a nice day."
I hear that at the supermarket all the time.
Exactly. You can also say, "Take care."
I like that one. It sounds warm and friendly.
Now, Jack, let's imagine a situation.
Okay, I'm ready.
You are at a party and you meet someone new.
I like parties.
You walk to the person. What do you say?
I smile and say, hello, I'm Jack. What's your name?
Perfect. The person says, "I'm Maria."
Then I say, nice to meet you, Maria.
Excellent. That phrase is very important.
But then it becomes quiet. That's the scary part.
Don't worry. Ask a simple question.
Like, do you like the music?
Yes. Or, "How do you know the host?"
That's a great question.
You can also say, "It's a great party, isn't it?"
That invites the other person to speak.
Exactly.
Olivia, these phrases are great for daily life. But what about work?
Work is another very important place to use simple English phrases.
Yes, especially when someone asks for your opinion.
Exactly. For example, your colleague asks, "What do you think about the new office?"
If I agree, I can say, I agree with you.
Perfect. And if you are not sure, you can say, "I'm not sure about that."
That sounds polite.
It is. It's much better than saying, "No, you're wrong."
Yes, that sounds too strong. Another professional phrase is, I see your point, but...
Wow, that sounds very businesslike.
It is. It shows respect and keeps the conversation friendly. Let's talk about visiting a friend.
Good idea. Your friend invites you for dinner.
I arrive at the door and say, hi, thank you for inviting me.
Perfect. And maybe you bring a small gift.
I say, this is for you.
Excellent. Inside the house, you can give a compliment.
You have a beautiful home.
That's a wonderful compliment.
Compliments are like magic in conversations.
They really are. You can also say, "I like your shirt," or "The food is delicious."
I want to be a conversation magician.
You already are, Jack.
Olivia, the hardest part is practice.
Practice doesn't have to be difficult.
How can I practice?
You can practice while walking, while cooking, or even when you are alone at home.
Talking to myself?
Yes, why not? I talk to my coffee cup sometimes.
Okay, you win.
Let's quickly review what we learned today.
We learned greetings like, how's it going, and what's up?
We learned polite phrases like "excuse me," "sorry," and Could you repeat that, please?
For shops and cafes, how much is this? Can I have a coffee, please? And can I have the check?
Listening phrases like, I see, really, and compliments.
And goodbyes like see you later, take care, and have a nice day.
Remember, everyone, you don't need to be perfect.
Yes, small mistakes are okay.
The most important thing is to communicate.
Communication, not perfection.
That's our favorite rule.
Before we go, we have a question for you.
What is your favorite English phrase?
Write it in the comments below.
Or tell us about a time you used one of these phrases.
We love reading your comments.
And if you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video
Subscribe to Easy English Daily.
and share this video with your friends.
Let's grow our English community together.
That's all for today.
I'm going to practice my English now.
Good luck, Jack.
Thank you, Olivia.
Goodbye, everyone. See you in the next episode.
Take care and have a nice day.